kitties out hunting. Again, looking around. The kitties are watching from afar. Whoa. These two brave souls ran out there. Right to the tree. Uh-oh, someone sees a moth. You gonna get it? You're a little late. Do a little nighttime tree climbing. Going down. There's Mommy. Mommy was out there looking around. Daddy's getting a drink. Where's everyone else? Out and about. Typical late night visit. Mommy and Daddy. They were all right here till I turned on the camera. And then they booked it. Where did they go? How far away? Oh, they're out in the yard. Yeah, Mommy. They all went for a walk. Yeah. Mommy's even going out there. Any other eyes? No. Yeah, you better go find them, big boy. Yeah, where'd they go? You can see all his scars around his neck. Like I said before, he was a fighter. He was in rough shape when he got here. He didn't have hardly any fur on his neck. His head was all messed up. He's doing a lot better. Good boy. Yeah. Good big boy. Want some catnip? Yeah. Looking good. Looking real good. Not much left on the catnip, huh, big boy? Yeah. End of the year. Yeah, there's some right there, big boy. Yeah. Good boy. Yeah. There's still little pieces here and there, but most of it's gone. This is the big stuff right here still. Still quite a bit on here. Yeah, see, big boy? See? That's still good. Yeah, I told you it's good. Yeah. Get it. Get it, big boy. Give it a head bump. Come on, you can get it. Here comes Mommy. Yeah. Wow. Hi there, little one. There's the girl. You can't even see her in the nighttime, huh? Yeah. Look at that. Hidden. That's why black cats are such good hunters. So you can see the girl long ways out. Woo! Look, there's one right there. Can't miss it. Little roamers. Wow, talk about zoomer. Big boy's just sitting here watching. Good boy, big boy. Good boy. I know, once they go over there, you can't see them, right? Big boy can see them barely. Mommy can see him all the time, right? Good girl. Good mommy. Good mommy girl. Saying hi to big boy. Hi. Say hi to me. Yeah. Good girl. What are they doing tonight, huh, girl? Huh? What are they doing out there? You're letting them play around, huh? Yeah. Keeping an eye on things. Always. We know you are. Yeah. We know you are. There's your man. Yep, that's your man. You guys love each other. Everybody loves Blackie. Yeah. Everybody does. She's gonna go off into the night again. Look at that. She's gone. Boom. Goodbye, Mommy. Goodbye. Have fun with your babies.